We will discussing about uh, the creative case in general ledger and reporting system. There are some questions that can be discussed in this topic. One, what the things can affect the design of information system in the indicative case? And the second, what is the limitation of new information system in AOE? 3. What are the outside entities to be accomplished by the output of system? And 4. Which manager or divisions does Lingga call to participate in discussion or participate in design system? And then last, what is the reporting or methods that suggested to develop in the system? Okay, by the case, we will try answer these questions one by one. For question 1, what the things can affect the design of information system? Okay, there are some things, so it's called what's the things. Look at in the integrative case, and I will find in the last paragraph. Yeah, okay. Now, as you read this chapter, think about how both technological and regulatory. Okay, this is can be underlined. Both of uh, technological and regulatory. Okay. So in this case, these two thing or two topic is affected to the design of information system that will be implemented, or it's called that needs to be needed in AOE information system. Perhaps AOE has built or has implemented the the new information system called ERP. Okay, so the answer is technological and the regulatory. Technological is some updates, maybe a new technology, maybe a new emergency issues, yeah. Maybe some in the world has the progress in technology information. So it is technological, maybe has a new technological, or maybe the company need to by to link, ya, to link it, ya, link it to the new informations technology. And then the second is regulatory. Maybe in every country, maybe in every region has regulatory in reporting. Maybe they need data like governmental, yeah, governments. Maybe some office, yeah, like tax office, like, and this chapter has itu uh, stock hedging, ya, securities and hedging, ya, stock hedging maybe in Indonesia is Indonesia stock hedging, ya, hedging, ya, IDX, ya, Indonesia hedging. Okay. Okay, and then we discuss about the second question. What is the limitation of new information system in AOE? Okay, we can look at the first paragraph. There is a problem, or need to be improved is the system only provide management with timely information about firm financial performance. Okay, this is the limitation of the information system, that this information system only has output in reporting like financial performance, just only the sports the output of firm financial performance. uh, you can see that any company needs some reporting that maybe has so many output that it needs, like supporting to management decisions, supporting to the operational, and and so on. Okay, so the limitation is the information system just has output in financial performance, so there is a needed to be improved in output. Okay, let's go to the question 3. What are the outside entities to be accomplished by the output? Accomplish in Indonesia apa itu dipenuhi, ya, dipenuhi, diberikan atau dipenuhi. Okay, accomplish. Okay, we can find in the case there are international financial reporting standard IFRS, ya, okay, and Securities and Exchange Commission, ya, okay. In Indonesia, it's called SAK, Standar Akuntansi Keuangan, ya, IFRS basis, ya, berbasis IFRS, oleh Dewan Standar Akuntansi Keuangan. And the second is Securities and Exchange Commissions. Ya, kalau di Indonesia ya bisa komisi atau boleh mungkin dewan, ya, pasar modal, ya. Jadi Securities and Exchange, surat berharga, apa itu perputaran, ya, surat berharga dan pasar modal lah, ya, itu in Securities and Exchange. In Indonesia maybe this company is registered in IDX or like listed in Indonesia Stock Exchange. Okay, there is two institutions. First is IFRS as a standard, and the second is securities. Then we go to the fourth question, or question 4. Which manager division does Linda call to participate in discussion and participate in design system? Why it is questioned in this topic? Because in the design system you need to participate, yeah, participation of the member of the organizations, maybe a manager, maybe staff, and other divisions. The participation is needed to make a better information system, because they have their need, they know their need, their experience, and their output needed, yeah, output needed, and other. So they are called to participate in discussion or meeting to build or to improve the information system. We will find in the case Linda calls a meeting with it is 1. Chief Financial Officer. Financial Officer is officer in financial, Indonesia ini bagian keuangan, ya, information financial officer ya, keuangan ya, departemen keuangan, atau di sini EOIs ya, itu eksekutifnya ya. Oke, Chief Financial Officer, jadi kepala ya, itu kepala, Chief is kepala, Financial Officer kepala bagian keuangan lah gitu ya, di Indonesia seperti itu. And then to controller ya, maybe supervisor, controller, penjaminan mutu dan sebagainya ya, controller. And the third is Vice President of Information System atau Information System Division ya, divisi sistem informasi. Nah, in this case Linda calls a personnel in Chief Financial Officer, and then Controller, and then Vice President of Information System. Di Indonesia mungkin dikenal ini adalah sebagai pihak yang terkait atau terlibat di dalam kebutuhan pengembangan sistem itu atau informasi yang dibutuhkan. So they call that personnel to make a discussion in how to improve the information system. Okay, participate. And 5, what is the reporting or method? Maybe the company need output of reporting or method. I call it metode ya, metode untuk dilakukan ya, metode ya. What is the brand of method? Okay. Metode dengan reporting ya. Kalau metode itu kan berbagai langkah ya, berbagai langkah atau prosedur atau apa yang terakumulasi menjadi suatu nama tertentu ya, itu develop in the system. Okay, we can find in the second paragraph, it is suggested by Stephanie, mentioned she has been reading about, so Stephanie just only has reading, just know, okay, just knowing about something called a balance scorecard. Balance scorecard is the methods how to measure a performance ya. Jadi ini adalah mengukur kinerja ya, ukuran kinerja, performance, to measure performance. Balance scorecard they just not only a financial performance, but in balance scorecard has two type of measurement. Is one, financial performance, financial performance ya, and then non-financial performance. Non-financial performance is like the satisfaction of customers, the satisfaction of employee, and maybe the managers, and so on. Maybe CSR ya, maybe it is can be can be implemented and can be suggested in balance scorecard. So there is two type of measurement. First is financial and non-financial performance. So the system just not only has output in financial reporting, but also maybe the non-financial reporting like quality, satisfaction, etc. and so on ya, etc. and so on. Okay, that is our discussion, and you can find or digest more to the case of Alpha Omega Electronic. And thank you.